which of the lines, if any, are parallel or perpendicular, and explain. So this is the same thing as example 1, but just different lines. Going to write these down. Put it up, Winter. Copy that down. So, parallel means same slope. Perpendicular means negative reciprocals of each other. Let's see which ones are parallel, which ones are perpendicular. So line A, let's get them both in the slope-intercept form, which means y equals mx plus b. I'm going to color-code it. This example, I'll color-code them. Line A, I'll put in black. B, I'll put in red. C, I'll put in green. Huh? Okay. So line A, here we go. 2x plus 6y equals negative 3. What should I do first, Mr. Gonzalez, to get y alone right here, do you think? How can we get rid of this 2x? Let's get rid of the 2x. Take it to the other side. What can I do with the 2x to get rid of it? So I want to get this looking like this. So I could see y as alone, so I have to get y alone. So I'm going to have to get rid of that 6, and I'm going to have to get rid of that 2x to get it out of there. How can I get rid of that 2x? What would I do to both sides to get rid of the 2x, would you say? Well, okay, check this out. I want to leave the 6y alone because I just want to get rid of the 6. I don't want to do anything with the y, so I want to get rid of the 2x. So the opposite of adding 2x is subtracting 2x. Look, I'm going to subtract 2x from the left and from the right. Whatever I do from the left, I do it from the right also. It's an equation. Now, this is gone. Look at this. 2x is gone on the left side, and all I have is 6y on the left equals, careful, they're not like terms. They're not like terms. You see that? So I just leave it as negative 2x minus 3. Look at negative 2x minus 3. It's like apples and oranges. You can't combine them. Right, same variable. Cool. Moving right along. Gonzalez, you see how I did that? So now I want to get rid of the 6 by dividing by 6. That's the opposite of multiplication. Look at, I'll divide by 6 here, here, here. Satan, 666. It's going to be okay, though. Here we go. Y then, watch this. Does 6 fit into 2? No, so let's leave it as a fraction but reduce it. 2 6 becomes close. 2 goes into 2 once and the 6 3 times. So it becomes negative 1/3. Look, there's my slope. Minus 6 can't fit into 3, so leave it as a fraction, but it's going to be 1/2. 3 and 6 is going to be 1/2. There's your mx plus b. So m is negative 1/3. That's my slope. Plus negative 1/2 is my b, my y-intercept. Line B is already done. Very nice. Let me put that in red just for consistent color coding. So line B is going to be already in slope-intercept form. Y equals 3x minus 8. Y equals 3x minus 8. So I'm going to put plus negative 8, just so I know it's in plus negative form. mx plus b. So line A is in black, line B is in red. Let's do line C now in green. Let's do this. Line C is negative 6y plus 18x. Negative 9 or positive? Positive. Questions so far before we do line C? Any questions thus far? I know I'm going kind of fast, but any questions? Sure. So A is in black, B is in red, C is in green. Sure, why not? All right, now, I want to get y by itself. What should I get rid of first now, Gonzalez? I'm going to leave y alone, huh? So I don't want to do anything with 6y. Right, so how would I get rid of positive 18x? Nice, from both sides, very good. Watch this. Whenever I do the right, I do the left. Let's do it. Watch this. Negative 6y, this is gone, equals, these are not like terms, so what would that become, Puente, on the right side? Sure, take your time. They're not like terms, so what should I write? Negative 18x, Keep going. Nice. So rocking and rolling. Because of positive 9, so it's plus 9. Cool. Later. We want to get y by itself now. Tell me what to do first. Let's get y alone. Sam Gonzalez, what should I do to get y alone? Close. Divide by negative 6. Here, here, here. After this. After this. Y then is, let's see, negative divided by negative is a positive. 6 fits into 18 3 times, so that's going to be a 3x plus six can't fit into 9, huh? So I'm going to leave it as a fraction but reduce it. So 3 goes into 3 9 times. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So it's a negative 3 halves. Because 6 can't fit into 9, so left it as a fraction but reduced it. All right. Huh? Focus, Gonzalez. Come on, man. All right. Is there any negative reciprocals? Of slope of 3 over 1, what's the reciprocal of 3 over 1? What's the reciprocal of 3 over 1? Right, and if you make it negative, that's exactly what line A is. Look at negative 1/3. So I already know that line A in black is perpendicular to line B and C. Look at, because B and C have the same slope of 3. And negative 1/3 is a negative reciprocal of 3 over 1 here in red and 3 over 1 in green. Notice that. So our final answer, here we go. Line A, I'll put it in black actually. No, put it in blue. Final answer, line A. Oops. Right, line B was already done, huh, in red? Right there. You see how the slope is 3? Okay, let's come back over here. Our final answer, line A is perpendicular to B and C. Or any parallel. Any lines here parallel between the 3? No parallel lines? Do any lines have the same slope, A, B, or C? Ortiz, what do you think? Does A, B, or C have the same slope? Do any of the 3 lines, black, red, or green, do they have the same slope? What do you think, Rios? Yeah. Which ones have the same slope? C and what? C and B. Right, look at C and B. Look at the slope here. Come on, Gonzalez. Turn off. And then notice, look at line C. So Rios is right. Line C's slope is 3, and line B's slope is 3. So that means B and C have the same slope. They're parallel. So that's part of our last answer too. Line, write this down, B and C are parallel. A is perpendicular to B and C C are parallel because they have the same slope. Same slope is parallel. Negative reciprocals are perpendicular. We have 20 good minutes. Make use of our time. Check your grade first because all the grades are